Hello everyone, I am Tiffany from the NTU Imaging Core. I'm delighted to introduce HereIm's 8th image analysis tool. HereIm IM0008 demonstrates how to use Fiji macro for automated batch measurements of neurites. This tool is especially suited for processing neurons that are clumped together. The demo image shows SHSY5Y cells captured using high-content S-confocal. They are a human neuroblastoma cell line. Special thanks to the Department of Pharmacy at NTU. And to Professor Ling Weihin for providing us with this set of images. This one was taken by Yuxuan Lin. The image on the left is the original image before analysis. The yellow parts represent the neurons. The blue parts represent DOPI. And the image on the right is a schematic after analysis. The white parts are the original images of the neurons. The red parts indicate the neurites. And the colored parts are the nuclei segmented by star dist. Alright, after the analysis, we can obtain the image on the left, as well as an Excel file. Inside the Excel file, it lists the neurites length for each image, the total number of cells, and the average neurites length per cell. All measured in pixels. Before we begin, please make sure that Fiji is installed on your computer. That is, Fiji is just ImageJ and StarDist plugin must be ready. After that, we can click on the GitHub link in the table. Through this table we can view some details. After accessing the GitHub page, we can first download the demo image. Just click View Raw, and then go to the IJM. Where you can choose to download it. Or simply use Ctrl+A and Ctrl+C here. Alright. Then, open our Fiji. Okay, next we can drag and drop the file we just downloaded. Alright. Then, there is another demo image that we can take a look at. Okay, the previous part was a schematic. Now, in this image, since it was exported from high content, the green part here corresponds to the earlier yellow section, which represents the neurons, while the blue is still DOPI. Now, because this is a batch analysis, it requires us to have two folders. One for input and one for output. So, here we need to set things up first. We can start by creating a new folder, name it input. And then place the demo image we just downloaded into it. Next, create another empty folder to store the results and name it output. Alright. Then, click Run. First, choose the input folder we set up on your desktop. And then select the output folder. Okay, next, just wait. Once it finishes, it will tell us how long it ran. Then you can close it. This is the table after completion. Inside the output folder, you'll see our process schematic, along with the accompanying data folder. Alright, this one is for a single image. Now, let's run it again to demonstrate a batch analysis with multiple images. I put 5 images in this folder. It will take a bit longer to run. Here you can see, it gradually records the data. At this point, it has been running for 30 seconds. Next, let's go back to the folder we just saw. This is the entire results folder. Each image has an analysis graph now. Alright. I'll leave it to you all, thank you.